Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to show you the Sephora favorite sets that Sephora has out now at Sephora. These are amazing deals. I think these are great gifts to give for holiday season. You really get your bang for your buck when you get these sets. So if you're looking for some sets to give away for a loved one or a friend or anybody just in general, then I'm going to help you guys pick and choose which Sephora favorite sets to get because there's a lot. There's a lot. And that's where I come in because I got all the Sephora favorite sets and I'm going to show you them all. I'm only going to do them probably 3 at a time because I don't want this to be a super long dragged out video. So today I'm going to show you 3 now. I'll get into that in a second, and then we're going to have a series, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. We're going to have a series of all the sets. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Sephora boxes that I got for holiday season, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, if you're new, before we get into the video, I just want to say welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of makeup unboxing videos on my channel, mystery unboxes, shopping hauls, or anything makeup related you're going to see on this channel. So if you guys love makeup just as much as I do, I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell because you'll know when I uploaded another unboxing of my Sephora favorite boxes. Alrighty guys, so let's just dig in. So, I have the Sephora Favorites Sparkly Clean Kit. This one was $42. It retails for $55. So we have that one. I also have the Holiday Lip Kit for $45. It has a 58, it says 58 Canadian, but $125 US value. Aww. Then this one I'm super excited for. It's $39 and you get the ultimate holiday hair hydration kit. And this right here, I want to say it's $38. So it's like you literally got everything else for free because this is full size right here. So this kit alone, don't walk, run to get it. Run. Alrighty, so let's start with the lip kit first. I'm excited for this lip kit. Let's get her open. How do we open her up? Let's get some scissors. Oh. So it looks like the Rare Beauty one is full size. And I would keep this box too. The box is nice. I would keep the box just to hold on to stuff. It's a nice sturdy box. So let's see what we have here. The Rare Beauty is full size. They gave us the shade Nearly Neutral, which is like a nice, natural color, like a pinky nude. There's no scent to it. Very excited for that. I definitely would wear this color. The next shade we got is from Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. I do own this color already, but I do like Pillow Talk. I do like a chestnut lip liner, and I put this in the middle. Very pretty nude lip here. So very excited for this. I have this and I love it. I love the way that her lipstick smells like perfume. I love that. I don't like when skincare smells like perfume, but lipstick I don't mind. The next thing I got is the original recipe lipstick from Give. I do own this lipstick and I get a lot of compliments when I wear it. I'm going to save this for like when I travel so I don't got to carry my full-size lipstick. But I absolutely love this shade. So I'm winning right now because I'm loving everything in my kit. The next thing I got is, I have this and I own this already. The Too Faced Extreme Lip Plumper. I own this already. So good for travel. I'm trying not to go too slow so this doesn't get like boring. But I still want to show you guys every single thing. I got the NARS. Is this the Orgasm? Yes, NARS Orgasm Lip Gloss. Very pretty. It's like a corally gold lip gloss. I got an Urban Decay lipstick in Back Talk. Everybody buys Back Talk. It's like a top seller. Super excited for this. This is a nice color. Another color I wear with like a chestnut lip liner. You can't go wrong with this lipstick. And then a Pat McGrath lipstick. I finally own something Pat McGrath. And it's a beautiful, the lipstick is beautiful. What color is this? This is called Vendetta. Ooh, the thing just fell out. Did you guys see that? Hold on. The whole thing just fell out. I'm super bummed for this. I may have to exchange this because for Pat McGrath, I'm a little confused how this thing just fell out. I'm excited for the kit. Overall, the kit is very nice. So, like I said, $45 for this kit, and you got all of that. That's a great, great deal. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lip items. Like, you really can't go wrong. You really cannot go wrong. So, don't walk, run. Alrighty, next thing, what else have we got? So the next thing I got is, I'm all about like clean makeup. Everybody's into clean makeup lately as well. This is the Sephora Favorite Sparkly Clean Set. This is what it looks like when you open her up. And let's see the items now. Once again, the box is amazing. Like, you could use it. It's hard. So you can use it to store your makeup if you want. This was a little bit more. Retails for $42. It says you get 2 full-size items. So the Rose Ink Blush is full-size. And the Ela, what is this? Is this a gloss? It's full-size. I'm not sure if it's a gloss or liquid lip. We'll find out together. Alrighty, so let's see what we got here. The first thing we got is an Omega Repair Cream. And I heard so much stuff about this brand. Oh, it looks very rich and luxurious. I've never tried anything from Biossance, but I'm excited to finally have something to try. The next thing, let's look at this Rose Ink Blush. Let's see here. It's called Hello Trope. Oh, the shade is pretty. I definitely would wear this color. That's the shade, Hello Trope. Packaging is very, you know, just plain. But that's, who cares? I only care about what's inside. The next thing I got is the Say Mascara. I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use it yet. And the lifespan starts once you open them. So if you're not going to use something, don't open it because the clock starts ticking once you start using it. The next thing I got is a Ela, what is this? Lip oil, an Ela lip oil. Very pretty. I definitely would use the shade. It's just like a pinky brown, which I could use with a brown liner. I got the Milk Primer. I did try this. I wasn't in love with it, but I'll revisit it again. It is supposed to be for oily skin. And I got the Caudalie. I have this, but I still haven't used it yet. Amongst the other skincare products that I have. This is the Vino Serum from Caudalie. It's supposed to like brighten your skin, like if you have dark spots, discoloration. I heard this is really good. So that was what? $42 US dollars. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 items. Very excited for that. Last but not least, the Big Kahuna. This retails for $39. You would think it would be more because look at this, guys. Hold on, let me open it up. You get this full size right here. This is $38 by itself. I've never tried it, but my hair is dry. And it says most of this stuff is for like hydration. This says it's an intensive bond repair mask. and I'm always like blow drying my hair, flat ironing it. So this can help to repair my hair. So I'm still happy to get this. But let's dig into the other items that I got. Alrighty, so I got an Olaplex number 3. This is supposed to help like strengthen and repair your hair. I have like tons of these because like every Sephora Favorites hair kit. I think last year I got the Sephora Favorites hair kit and this was in there. So add this to the collection of the number 3s. I would love for them to give like 4 and 5, the shampoo or the conditioner, because I've never tried that. But this I have and I've tried. And for the most part, I feel like it definitely helps repair my hair. The next thing we got is a Moroccan Oil Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. I've never tried their shampoo and conditioner, so I'm super excited to try this because my hair is very dry. If this works, I definitely will buy the big bottles. The next thing I got is, I've used this before. It's the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Moisture Super Mask. It smells amazing because it has like the kiwi in it. Love the smell of this. Now, I don't know if it really made my hair feel super, super hydrated, but I just love the smell and how it made my hair feel. So I definitely will still use this. The next thing I got is a Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil Primer, and it's a heat protectant as well. My hair is very dry, like I said, so this is good when I get out the shower. My hair is wet. I spray this. It gives like a little sheen to my hair because it has oil in it, and it preps my hair for me blow drying it so I don't damage my hair with the heat. So definitely love this BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil from Bumble and Bumble. I've always wanted to try this. I've never bought it. It's the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I've never tried it, but I love the smell of all Way's products. Well, it's like smells like perfume. Like, I love their products. So everything I own from Way, I love. So I know I'm going to love this as well. The next thing I got is the Oribe Gold Lust Transformative Mask. I've had a sample of this, I want to say, in my Macy's beauty box. I've never used it, but maybe I should. I've heard a lot of good things about Oribe. And I do have some products from them, but just not this in particular. So this is on my bucket list to try. The next thing I got is from Jisoo. This is their hair oil. It's honey infused. I do have the Jisoo honey infused oil already. I like it. I love the smell of it. I love the smell of Jisoo's. They have a hair perfume too, and I love the smell of it. So this is cute for travel, so I definitely will use this. I'm actually going to be going away next weekend, just like a little 3-day getaway. So I'm so excited to have all these like little minis because I can use them on my little getaway and not have to carry all my full-size stuff so my luggage doesn't feel too heavy. So perfect time for me to get these sets. The next thing I got is a Kerastase Elixir. It says, what is this for though? It says multi-use oil, so I'm guessing it's like another hair oil for your hair. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's an oil for sure. It's very greasy. Oh, it smells good too. Very excited. Very, very excited. So overall, I am happy with everything. The money was well spent. The money was well spent. What did you guys think about the first 3 that I did on my channel? Stay tuned because I got a lot more Sephora Favorites kits to come. These are just the first 3. I didn't pick any in any type of order. I just picked 3 random kits that I wanted to show you guys. So I also have a whole bunch of Sephora holiday kits that I want to show you guys as well that I got. And those are, I have like some from Huda Beauty. I have some from Sol de Janeiro. I have a whole bunch of kits. So if you guys want to see what I got in those boxes, like I said, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you know when I upload these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys know I love and miss you guys. Please keep on subscribing to my channel. As I said, I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. We are slowly getting there, slowly but surely. What do they say? Slow and steady wins the race. So keep on watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.